Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Kusoo dhawaada YouTube channelkayga. Magacayga waa Caaisha, YouTube channelkayga waa Alicia's Family. Subaxnimo 8 o'clock ay noo tahay waxaa u soconaa meel protest ku socoto oo kasoo dad looga taageerayo dadka xanuunada kansarka hayo. Marka waxaa la kulmay gabdhaha organization kamid ah iyada noo sharaxayso.
Hello everybody, my name is Omaima and this is my second year working with the Canadian Cancer Society's annual CIBC Run for the Cure. This program brings together communities from the city of Windsor and across Canada to run to fundraise to support a great cause, and that is funding for breast cancer. I am very happy to see everyone here today. We have done a great job, and for the future I hope to have more people join.
So guys, markaa soo wareysana gabadhaasiyada waxaa soo soconay meesha hal meel la isku tago kadib la soconaa exercise la suubinaa soo meesha saa aadnay saa
not my left breast is fine. Famous last words. My surgeon claimed he had never in his whole career.
While it is a well-traveled land, we would like to respectfully acknowledge that the lands on which we gather today is the traditional territory of the Three Fires Confederacy of First Nations, comprised of the Ojibwe, Odawa, and the Potawatomi peoples. We are grateful to work.
asxaabteeda soo meesha khudbada waa kasoo dhamaanay hadda waa soconaa ilaa 2 kilometer camal la soconaa.
Samia, sidek basamia.